Everyone, welcome to Accounting Fastlane. In today's video, I want to share with you what are these well-known companies have in common when it comes to their financial year ends. I believe after today's video, you will definitely learn something new, so please make sure you stay to the end. The purpose for closing the financial books at each accounting period is to generate a financial statement which provides the full picture of a company's financial situation. To watch each steps to contribute generating financial statement, please watch my other video on accounting cycle. There are two terms that are related to today's video will be benefit to know. One is calendar year. Calendar year refers to January 1st to December 31st in any given year. Two is fiscal year. Fiscal year is consecutive 12 months accounting periods in business. Some companies operating their business are not necessarily using a calendar year, which is January 1st to December. Due to the nature of the business, the companies would prefer to choose fiscal year to operate. For instance, in 2021, Apple ends their fiscal year on September 25th. Microsoft generates on a fiscal year from July 1st to the following year, June 30th. Disney operates from October 1st to the following September 30th. Do you know why these companies have decided to close their financials on this date rather than the normal calendar year? There are many reasons. However, I have compiled 4 main reasons in this video to take away. 1. Closing-end financials require intensive time and energy from managers. So the company chooses year-end when they're not extremely busy operating their business. It would cost less to count the inventories when the quantity levels are low. Sometimes companies need to hire external companies to count their inventories. So the more hours the external companies spend to count the inventories, the more cost it can be. The reason number 3, closing the year-end financials is not only puts a pressure on finance team, it requires but across all business units within the company. Accounting might need certain reports from sales, IT, customer support, retail management to verify and finalize certain information. That's why all business units need to work together to spin the closing wheels in a very short time. The last main reason for companies to choose closing at a certain date is for the financial performance, especially for the seasonal business. Companies would prefer to closing the financials after the holiday seasons, so the company has a better financial performance to present to the creditors and the investors. This way will long-term help company to sustain the business. Above are 4 main reasons why companies choose different dates to closing their year-end financials. Now, I do have a question for you. What calendar date would you choose to close your financials if you own a ski rental business? I hope you found today's video helpful. Please remember to subscribe my channel, and if you would like certain topics relating to accounting and business, please leave a comment. I will consider to make video. In the meantime, please take care. Thank you.